That's where I threw the yellow snow. Just saying. If the dog's pissed right down there, and I took the shovel and I picked it up and I threw it right there.
Ricky, are you having fun?
That was a lot of fun. Getting around.
Yeah, it's snow right now.
We get stickers on them.
Fun, like that dirt road is super fun. Like going up and down here and like this is fun.
Cora. Hey.
Norman, leave him alone.
Hey Norman, you want the camera?
Norman.
Hey. Norman, gentle, gentle. Okay, run. Hey, don't drop it. Come on, Loki.
Norman, hey. Leave him alone.
Try to look. Cody, stop it. Oh.
Riggins, enough!
Sick.
Did you guys bring this up here?
Yeah.
Oh, that was a good time.
Oh, it tickles when it hits your face. It'd be fast.
It tried so hard to get up there.
Riggsy used to go out in the field chasing.
Did he? I mean, he followed me through here.
Yeah, but I think he learned. How he goes because we would like lose it and then have to go back and look for him in a snowmobile track.
Idiot.
Out there.
That one's like fine. It was just like once when you first fired up, it's a little.
Get it, look. Get it.
Yeah, it's got to get.
Get it.
warmed up.
Ready? Yeah.
Let me try, ready?
It's a good slide. Dog's even better. Go, Riggsy, go!
Wow.
I'm a mountain dog.
You need to stop biting.
Oh!
Norman, come on.
This is really funny.
Norman,
Go, Normie!
come here.
Loki, get him!
Go, come on. Hey, buddy.
Go,
He's like,
Lux!
I don't know about all that.
Go, buddy! Come on, Loki, this way! Come on, Loki!
Go, come on.
Come on,
Come on,
Bob!
big pump it, Loki. Come on.
Come on!
Riggs, come on, Riggins, come on.
Come on, Riggs!
Go, come.
Come on, bud!
Norman, come on, bud.
Maybe have Loki come the back way.
Norman's fucking athletic.
Yeah, he could live on the street. Loki, go
Come
around!
on.
Come this way! Go this way!
Loki, over here.
Come on, bud! He's coming. Come on, baby!
Hey, now come up. Come on.
Come on!
Go, come on.
Come on! There, I got
Coda, come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, Lokes. Come on, buddy. Look at him go.
Come on, Lo, you did it!
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Yeah, Loki! You did it! Good job, buddy! Good job!
Hey.
What are you doing? What are you doing? If Jordan had snow pants on, that would have been a bite.
Yeah. All right, look at this one.
Woo! Go, Loki! Good job, buddy.
Come here, Norm. Come here, Norm.
Woo!
Go, Carly.
Pretty good. Woo! That's pretty good.
Ruining the wet.
Ruining it. Woo! Stop! Look, stop! Stop! Hey! Where have you been? Huh? Whoa.
Come on, Norm. You ready, buddy? Come here, bud. Come here.
That's really fun. You should put that in your video.
Really? There's Nolan. And there's Carly and the dog.
Watch this.
Down in the bottom, in the middle of that pile is a burn barrel. You guys remember that?
Oh,
Yeah.
there's burn barrel in there. Dad
over there.
said. Watch this, Dad. Don't hurt.
She wasn't feeling good.
Who is it?
Your mom. She wasn't feeling too good. Clouds. We didn't have a snowblower hooked up on the back of that.
Norman, come here, bud.
She's got, look at
Makes you
over there on the
shivering.
side of the farm, there's a guy she's got her.
Look at Rigsy.
He's making content. He's on the snowmobile out in
I
the
think he
field.
might be cold too.
I can hear him running.
Yeah.
It's snowing right now.
Oh,
It's snowing.
man.
Yeah,
It's been
see
a
it?
long overdue time for a snow
See it
set.
or no? It's not snowing super hard right now. It was earlier. Last night it was. We got about 6 inches last night.
All right, Rick.
Uh,
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Should we ring up a rope and ski behind the snowmobile?
Inside, just prefers inside. Just come down with the rock. Yeah. Just go. Stay up.
Lame child.
The Boston's in Boston's against the He's ready for a big sport.
Riggs, you have an ice mustache.
What?
I know.
Biggsy, hey, come here. Biggsy, hey, come here, Muffin. Hey.
Riggsy, stop. Riggs.
Huh?
Oh, you were recording.
Huh?
Sick.
The whole thing. No, man. Hey, Mark.
Bring it! Bring it!
Norman.
Move!
Hey, Norman, look.
Come here. Heck, dude. Check out this slide.
Okay. Stop barking. Hey.
Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Well, some of it, I think. Some of it I couldn't.
Ready, Norm? Ready with me? Ready? Ready?
Hey, Dakota.
Riggsy, snowy mouth.
Dude, he was trying to chase me and I like went over through this next to
Go, come here.
the touch thing.
Go, come here.
He like hopped over like he was about to like keep running sick and just plopped.
Go on, stop it. Hurry.
He like poked his head out.
Norman.
Come here. Come here, Riggsy, I'll help you.
Stop. Stop.
Riggsy, I'll help you. I'll warm you up. Come here.
Norman, stop it.
Riggsy,
Riggsy, come here.
come here.
Norman.
Come here.
Look at him. He's gonna go into a den. He's gonna make a den.
Norman, leave him alone. Norman.
Tempting.
Huh?
Tempting, dude. He did just hop in between you. He's under that trailer. Creepy. You're going somewhere to die again.
Riggsy, gonna go down there and die of hypothermia? Will you go inside? Come here. Come right here.
I got it all on video.
Riggsy.
Riggsy, come on, let's go inside.
Come on, Riggsy.
Outside.